Hi and welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to download Car Mechanic Simulator into your PC. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the process that I am going to show you and how you can download the Car Mechanic Simulator is through Steam. So what you need to do first is to open any browser that you are using and then just simply search Steam into your search bar and then just enter into or click into the first result from the results that you have. And after doing so, you should be able to see this on your screen. So this is the homepage of Steam. And then if you want to download Car Simulator, what you'll need to do is to head into this or click into the search bar on the upper right part of your screen and then just simply type in Car Mechanic Simulator just like so and then hit enter. And after you've done that, you should be able to see different results, and you can simply select whatever version that you want to download from your options. So I'm just going to click into the first one, just like so. And after that, as I scroll down, you should be able to see some options. So as you can see, it says right here, download Car Mechanic Simulator demo version. So if you want to download demo version, just hit the download button on this part right here, and then you can also actually buy the actual I'm so sorry to buy the actual game. So just need to simply add this to your cart. So just like so, I'm going to download and or I'm just going to click it add to cart and then purchase for myself if you're doing that. So I'm just doing that. And then after that, you should be able to see this. So if you are don't have any account yet on Steam, what you can do is to sign up on their sign up page. And then if you already have one, just sign in with your account and then just follow the on-screen prompts that you need to do. So you actually need to fill in your payment information. So just go ahead and do that. And after downloading it, just head into your Steam library or into your Steam app and then just click into the Car Mechanic Simulator, and then you should be able to successfully download and install the game into your PC. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.